Oh yeah, this one about like the giant statue. Maybe we can watch this one. Then how about this one? It's kind of short. You know what? I'll line up a bunch of the short videos. This one is pretty short. So right here. Let's see. This one is about baseball. This one, tourism video. Sure, it's kind of short. Right here. Okay, so yeah, let's watch this video. I visited the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity by Curly Tails. Okay, 3 years ago. And we saw like, it was like the biggest statue video comparison, 3D comparison we watched. And yeah, it was a very impressive video. And this is one of them. I don't know if it is the tallest statue anymore, because I think it was maybe beaten because like different country keep trying to beat the other, you know, with the tallest statue. But I forget which one was the tallest one.
एक सवाल पूछना था. Where do you think is the tallest statue in the world? America? London?
No, the Statue of Liberty is not that tall.
It is in India. Welcome to Statue of Unity.
It's a big boy. I wonder if it's solo inside and you can go inside. No, probably not. Nice dress, mama.
तो ये है स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी विच इज इन केवड़िया, जो अहमदाबाद से और वडोदरा से बस कुछ ही घंटों की दूरी पर है. एक 597 फीट टॉल स्टैच्यू ऑफ सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल. ये वही नेता है जिन्होंने 562 प्रिंसली स्टेट्स को एक यूनाइट कर उनका यूनियन बनाया, और आज ये स्टैच्यू उन्हीं को डेडिकेट करता है, जो वर्ल्ड का टॉलेस्ट स्टैच्यू है.
Awesome. So like, is he the most revered historical figure in India to get the tallest statue?
So Statue of Unity opens at 8 AM for visitors. ये मंडे को बंद रहता है और शाम को 6 बजे के बाद विजिटर्स को स्टैच्यू के पास नहीं पर दूर के व्यू.
I was gonna say, to be honest, to be a visitor, you just need to be like within like 100 kilometers or something, and you can see it. So like, you're a visitor technically. Yeah. You don't need to be very close to be a visitor.
गैलरी से वो बैठकर एक लेजर शो एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. That happens at 7 PM. यहाँ की प्राइसिंग के लिए 3 लेवल्स हैं. The basic level ticket starts at 150 rupees, जिससे आप एग्जीबिशन को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, व्यूइंग गैलरी जा सकते हैं, एंड ऑल्सो स्टैच्यू की फीट लेवल तक जा सकते हैं. But if you buy the second level ticket,
I don't know what rupees to euro is. Let me see. 100 rupee to euro. Oh, 100 rupees, like 1 euro. So it's super cheap, okay? It's very, very cheap. Well, in euro it's cheap. Huh? Yep.
which is at 380 rupees. You can actually go till the chest level of the statue, जहाँ से एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत viewing gallery है और आप केवड़िया का एक panoramic view देख सकते हैं. Both the tickets include the Valley of Flowers as well as the dam viewpoint. और अगर आप बिल्कुल express और VIP entry चाहते हैं, be ready to shell out 1,030 rupees.
So like that's 10 euro. Like that's more like the price I would expect, yeah, for something like this.
There's a food court और यहाँ पर एक fancy सा Starbucks भी है.
There's Starbucks. Okay. That's random.
Statue is 182 meters और आज पहली बार मुझे अपनी हाइट बहुत छोटी लग रही है. शायद सिर्फ 1 या 2 मीटर होगी या उससे भी कम. Interestingly, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल was often called the Iron Man of India. और ये statue is a nod to him and his contributions to our independent India. So he was the first Home Minister of independent India और इस statue का inauguration हुआ इनकी 143rd birth anniversary पर by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in October 2018.
Okay. I don't know how many years it took to build.
स्टैचू के अंदर व्यूइंग डेक पर जाने के लिए यू हैव टू गो थ्रू एन एग्जीबिशन सेंटर और अ व्यूइंग गैलरी.
That's a big head.
So amazing that every feature has been perfectly crafted on his face, be it the wrinkles, the eyes, everything. So this is just a life-size image or rather replica of the actual statue. फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि actual statue में उनका face है 70 feet और यहाँ पे है about 14 feet. आप statue में सिर्फ chest level तक जा सकते हैं, इसके लिए आप उनका face ठीक से देख नहीं पाते. But at the exhibition hall ना सिर्फ आप उनका face और एक replica देख सकते हैं उनके statue का,
so you can see the face.
What went behind the making of the statue के बारे में जान सकते हैं. Lots of pictures, paintings about the Narmada village, the tribal life, the Narmada dam और उनकी story के बारे में भी. यहाँ पर you will also get to see a 6 to 7 minute film on Narmada dam as well as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's history, starting from his childhood to his struggles and all his achievements.
Seems nice. I always want to go to museum, but you know, I'm never really close to any. It does look like a pretty awesome. Oh wow, that's a lot of books.
You know, this
A
is
pretty
so
awesome
interesting.
museum.
मतलब यहाँ बच्चे आकर वल्लभ भाई पटेल की पूरी स्टोरी जान सकते हैं in very simple language. Now it's quiz time. How attentive
Quiz.
I was. Oh, this is very interesting. मतलब आप सच में उनकी पूरी स्टोरी जान सकते हैं in very simple words. Forget about kids. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Judges might have been Nadia in search for better school.
Okay. Oh. Stuff about animals too. Yes, it's a museum more than
As
just
you can
about
see,
animals.
this region is very rich with wildlife और आप यहाँ पे कौन से birds और animals को देख सकते हैं, उन सब का यहाँ पे photograph लगा हुआ है. Beautiful.
That part I would be very interested in. Seeing like the unique animals.
So we are now on the 45th floor, which is the chest level of the statue. Very, very excited to see what the view looks like and how it
Wait,
feels
so
to be
you're
so
inside the
close
statue?
to the tallest statue in the world. Currently, we are inside the statue, जहाँ से
Okay.
एक बहुत ही
Well,
खूबसूरत
but
व्यू आप देख सकते हैं.
that answers
of
my question.
Narmada River. ये लिफ्ट
You
जो
can go
आई है,
inside.
it's a high speed lift. उनके दोनों पैरों में 2 लिफ्ट्स हैं. 38 seconds में आप 45th फ्लोर पर पहुंच सकते हैं. So it's a quite a high technology. और जो यहाँ पर रहते हैं, रोज काम करते हैं, उन्हें सबसे ज्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है इस जगह के बारे में. तो मेरे साथ है प्रेमिला. हाय प्रेमिला.
हाय।
कितने सालों से आप यहाँ पर हैं?
3 साल हो गए मुझे.
मतलब लॉन्च से
Yes.
लेके अब तक आप यहीं पर हैं.
हाँ,
अच्छा, तो इसकी हाइट 182 मीटर्स क्यों है?
कि इसीलिए रखा है कि 182 मीटर रखने का रीजन है कि गुजरात विधानसभा की सीट है 182, इसीलिए
somebody
182 मीटर रखा गया है.
अच्छा, और यहाँ
they could
पे
have made it taller
किस
if they
तरह
wanted.
का व्यू दिख सकता है और कोई खास वजह कि यही जगह चुनी गई है स्टैचू बनाने के लिए?
देखो, सरदार सर का सपना था सरदार सरोवर डैम बनाने का, तो 1950 में उनका निधन हो गया था, तो उनका सपना अधूरा छूट गया था. उधर फेस रखा गया कि उनकी आंखों से उनका सपना साकार हुआ, इसीलिए देख सकते हैं.
Oh, so the statue is facing the dam. That's kind of cool, damn. That is pretty cool. Okay, I like the reasoning. The statue is facing the dam, so the
If you're
statue
coming
looks
here in the
on
capacity
his
of a
life work.
tourist, आपके लिए यहाँ पर स्टैचू को एडमायर करने के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ है. Anybody who buys the base level ticket will get an access to the Valley of Flowers and also to the dam viewpoint. But इसके अलावा अगर आप शाम को आते हैं तो 7 बजे यहाँ पे लेजर शो होता है जो आप
Laser
देख
show.
सकते हैं. There's also a glow garden here and there's also a jungle safari, and which is where I am heading now.
Okay. Okay. Oh, like a zoo. Okay. I was just watching a video about Arambe earlier.
Well, so
It really
now
is in
we
front of
are
me,
at the
but
Kevadia
I finally
Jungle
got the full
Safari. So
story of
Statue of
it.
Unity से सिर्फ 1 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है. And this zoo has some of the most amazing animals from Asiatic lion to white tigers. Come, let's check them out. I've never seen a white tiger before.
Yeah.
And at Kevadia Jungle Safari, you can get a glimpse of this beautiful looking white tiger.
That is pretty cool. I'm gonna guess something like a white tiger is endangered, right? There can be a lot of them. Black panthers as well, maybe. Bengal tiger.
So this is quite an experience. Even though ये एक zoo है, I think हम टूरिस्ट को थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबली एक्ट करना चाहिए. एनिमल्स अपने नेचुरल हैबिटेट में अगर रहे तो उनके लिए वो बहुत अच्छा होता है, और अगर वो यहाँ पर हैं तो हम टूरिस्ट को सिर्फ उन्हें देखकर बस छोड़ देना चाहिए without bothering or disturbing them too much. So that was my day here at Statue of Unity
No,
as well
this
as
situation.
Kevadia Jungle Safari. So do make a trip here, because if you truly love India, you must know all about our culture. Until next time, it's me, Kamya Jani, on Curly Tales.
It's a cool place.
Signing off.
Okay, I mean, we had seen this statue in a few different videos, you know, but now I guess I know a bit more about the history of it and what's around it, so it's pretty cool. I mean, 182 meters. Yeah, there's basically like a skyscraper, I mean. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. That's what I can say. And the fact that you can go inside, that is awesome. That is awesome. Okay, great video, and yeah, a cool location. I mean, I like it. I like it. Good location. Alright then. If I visit India, I guess I'll have this on the list. You know, I think the statue alone might not be, well, for me, maybe like not like enough reason to go, but because there's like also a zoo and other stuff to do around it, it makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. So, nice one. The highest number of tigers in the world, as tiger is currently the national animal of India. That is awesome. I know India has like an insane amount of like rare species of animals and all that. Very young, yeah, same. Like when I was young, I went to an aquatic zoo and a normal zoo, and since then I've never been to one. And obviously zoos are kind of like a mixed bag, right? They can be good and bad in some ways. Yeah. But there's still an appeal, you know, to going. Actually, one thing I went when I was young, the last zoo I went to was like a crocodile zoo. It was called like the Farm of Crocodile or something. And it was literally a bunch of crocodiles just chilling in the zoo. That was about it. There was a lot of them, but that was the only animal at that zoo, yeah.